Here are 7 important features to consider when purchasing a home. This can be for a first-time home buyer or your 5th home because you just love jumping around from place to place. Number 1, location of the home. This does matter. Commute to work, if you have kids, the school district. Number 2, the size of the lot. Do you want a big yard? Maybe you have pets, you have children, you want to be able to play in your yard, you just want to enjoy it. Maybe you want to have a campfire in the back. The size of the lot. Number 3, the number of bedrooms. How many bedrooms do you need? 3, 4, 5? Are you thinking of having more kids? The number of bathrooms. How many bathrooms do you need, especially if you have a large family? Do you want to really be sharing the bathroom, or do you want your own bathroom? How about a bathroom in the bedroom? Kitchen layout. That's important. You spend a lot of time in the kitchen. The age, the style, and the condition of the appliances. And of course, one of the most important things to consider, especially now, since it's a bidding war, is the price of the home. Is it worth the appraisal price? Is it worth winning that bid? If the house really only appraises for $500,000 and you're going to be paying $600,000 because you just have to live there, is it really worth that? So just a few things to consider: location, the size of a lot, number of bedrooms, number of bathrooms, the kitchen layout if you love to cook, of course the age, the style, the conditions of the appliances, and the price.